Hi, I'm Dickens, founder of Playology and friend of FitLifeTV. I am here today to talk to you about coming home to your inner child. And where I really want to start off with is us looking at the mask that we wear every day. This mask that stops us from actually showing the world who we are. You see, what happens is when we play, we actually get to step out of who we think we are and step into who we really know we get to be. Every day in life, we put on this huge armor and we go out and we are the mother, we are the father, we are the sister, we are everything to everybody. And we know, well, we think we know that we have to stand in a certain way in order to show up as that person. When you're playing, you can't do that. Why? Because you forget about everything that's external and you're only focused on the internal. So you actually get to show up as the amazing human being that you are and connect with people in a completely different way. You see, as we grow up, we have listened to the stories that have told us that we have to be serious, that we have to take responsibility, that we have to do everything, we have to grow up. And what I'm here to tell you today is, while we do have responsibilities that we have to manage, you don't have to be so serious about life. We suffer from this amazing thing called play shame. And what is play shame? Well, it's the feeling that we get whenever we want to do something that we consider fun when we know we have responsibilities. You have a family to take care of. You've got a grocery shop. You've got chores that you have to do at home. All of that gets put in front of everything that we want to do for ourselves. You think about the hierarchy of needs, play goes at the very, very bottom. What would happen for you if you actually shifted that and put play at the top and allowed everything to happen underneath? So how many times have you been super excited about a vacation that you have scheduled to go on with your family? And you work really, really hard to make sure the house is clean, to make sure all the kids are fed, to make sure that everything at work is taken care of before you take off. I feel like you probably know that you work about 60 hours the week before you go on vacation just to take the vacation. And then when you get there on Saturday morning, it takes Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, maybe even Tuesday, to completely relax and step into the vacation that you're taking. By Wednesday, you're like, I got this. I can go to the spa, I can enjoy the massages, and Thursday, you're finally into it, only to wake up on Friday and realize that you're flying out on Saturday evening and you're stepping right back into that life that you were living. The stress happens because we haven't taken enough time to even set ourselves up to play before we take off. All we're focused on is the work that happens before and not the play that's going to happen in the middle. So if we were to take time to play before we leave and actually have it built into our schedule, it would become a natural thing. So when you're actually on this vacation itself, it would feel completely natural and just amazing. You wouldn't have to step into it because you are already going to be used to actually living in it. Today, I want to give you one invitation. My invitation for you is to actually give yourself permission to play. And by giving yourself that permission, you're just saying, you know what? It's okay for me to not have to adult every single day of my life. It's okay for me to have some fun and still handle my responsibilities because I am amazing like that and I can do it. This is Dickens, founder of Playology and friend of FitLifeTV. Hope you're having an amazing day.